Hello friends, today I am going to discuss a next complex problem in modeling and simulation, that is news dealers problem. Here the demand of respective newspapers is given, and accordingly the day is good, fair or poor is decided by on the sale of newspaper. So here basically problem statement is given like demand and respective probabilities is given to us, and random digit for type of newspaper, this one is also given to us, and random digit for demand is also given to us, and the limiting condition here is also one is given, that is assume that news stand by 70 newspaper each day, and accordingly we have to simulate our question. So I am going to discuss this in step by step. So first step is that we have to first find out the distribution table for type of news day. So good, fair and poor is given, probability is given 0.35, cumulative probability will be 0.35, so random digit allocation will be 0 to 35. For fair it will 0.45, so cumulative probability will be 0.35 plus 0.45, so it will be 0.80. so random digit allocation range will be 36 to 80. So for poor accordingly it will be, and now the next step is that we have to find out distribution table for demand and their respective probabilities. So the demand is given is like this one, so probabilities for good, fair and poor is given to us. Now we have to calculate cumulative probability for good, fair and poor, and accordingly we have to assign random digit for good, fair and poor. Now if we talk about for demand is 40, so probability is given 0.03, so cumulative probability for good is 0.03. now random digit allocation will be 0 to 3. So for 450 it will be 0.05, so cumulative probability for good it will be 0.3, 0.03 added with 0.05 it will be 0.05, and accordingly we can find cumulative probability for good, fair and poor, and we have to assign random digit range, so it will be 4 to 8, 9 to 23, and accordingly we can find out this table. This is a simple table, and the next step is important. Here we have to simulate our question. So first thing is that we have to first keep in mind that profit formula is given as revenue from sale. जो अपने को न्यूज़पेपर बेचने से पैसा मिला है उसमें से जो रेवेन्यू हुआ है उसमें से अपने को क्या माइनस करना पड़ेगा, कास्ट ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर माइनस. So we have to add these two factors, lost profit from excess demand plus sales from scrap of newspaper. Okay, we have to this minus from revenue from sales. And now our simulation table is this, with keeping in mind that 70 newspaper is per day we can sell. Okay, so now we have to simulate our table, how we can find out this table. So here days are given like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 10, and random digit for respective type of news day is given 58, 17, 21, 45, and accordingly, and type of newspaper we have to decide according to random digit for type of news day. So for so from type of random digit for type of news day we will get a type of news day. From here we will get looking this demand for random digit for demand. So for by checking random digit for demand we get actual demand, and here we have to calculate revenue from sales, actual कितना पैसा अपने को पेपर बेचने से मिला हुआ है. देन अपने को लास्ट प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम एक्सेस डिमांड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट. देन sales from scrap of sales of scrap we have to calculate, then daily profit we have to calculate. Okay, now I am going to discuss how we can generate this table. So here day 1 the random digit for news day is given 58. Now we have to go type of news day section, and we have to see that 58 lies in which range. So 58 lies is in this range, so 58 lies in this range, so accordingly type of news day will be fair. So when the day is fair, so day is fair, and now we have to see, this is also given in question paper, that random digit for demand is given that 93. Now we have to look 93 for random digit for 93 in the respective fare table of this one, that what is the actual demand for fare. So we have to go that search that 93 lies is in which range in the fare section. So in fare section 93 lies is this range, okay. So 93 lies is in this range, so accordingly we have to find out demand for fare is 80. So we have to write this in this section, okay. Now revenue we have to calculate from total this one from total what we get revenue, okay. So revenue we have to calculate, it can be calculated as demand into 0.05. so the demand is 70, and when we multiply it with 0.05 we will left with 35 here, okay. And accordingly we have to now calculate last profit from excess demand. तो मतलब कि अपने को 70 का वो बेचना था और एक्चुअल डिमांड कितनी थी अपने पास, 80 की थी, डिमांड 80 की थी ना, और अपने को कितना लिमिटिंग कंडीशन क्या कह रहा है, 70 कह रहा है यार. सो अपने को क्या है यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लॉस हो जाएगा, क्योंकि अपने को यहाँ पर क्या निकालना है, लॉस्ट प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम एक्सेस डिमांड, ओके. तो 80 माइनस 70 इट विल बी 10 इंटू 0.17, so it will give us 1.70, okay. So 0.17 is what, 0.17 is a profit, okay. So now also I want to discuss that how actual profit is. So first we have to here newspaper cost price is given, so it is given 33 cent, and sell price is given this one. So profit we can calculate sell minus cost, so it will 70 cent, that is 0.17. now here when we multiply it with 10 with 0.17 we will get 1.70. and so salvage from sale of scrap paper, इट्स मीन्स दैट कि जो मान लीजिए कि 70 का पेपर था, 40 बिचा, 40 पेपर बिक गया, सो जो 30 पेपर बचा अपने पास, क्या उसको हम ऐसा वेस्ट उसको बेचकर कुछ अर्निंग कर सकते हैं क्या? अगर कर सकते हैं तो उससे कितना पैसा मिलेगा, राइट. सो अब यहाँ पर तो 80 की डिमांड ही हो गई और 70 अपने को मैक्सिमम कर सकते थे, सो यहाँ पर अपने को कुछ नहीं, अपने पास कुछ वेस्ट पेपर नहीं बचा. नाउ डेली प्रॉफिट, here we can see that actual revenue here is 35. So from 35 we have to minus this portion, 70 into 0.33 minus 1.7 into 10, so we will left with 10.20, okay. and now accordingly we have to go for second day. Then the day is 2, and demand for random digit for news day is given that 17. Now we have to go that 17 lies in which range, 17 lies in this range, so 70 will give us that the day is good. So when the day is good, now the random digit for demand is given 63. Now we have to go in good section and we have to see that random digit 63 lies in which range, okay. So random digit 63 lies in which range, 63 lies in this range, okay. So it will give the demand is 80. So demand is 80 here. So again demand is 80, so we will get same revenue from sale and same lost excess profit, and this will be same, this will be also be same. The day when the day is third and the random digit for new type of news day is given 21, we have to go that 21 in this table, and we have to see 21 lies in good range, okay. So the day is good, and random digit for demand is given that 31. Now we have to go in this table and see that 31 is lies in which range, 31 lies in this range, so respective demand is 70, okay. So respective demand is here 70, and so here now we have to see that demand and our limiting condition is matches, okay. So demand is 70 and actual maximum we can sell that also is 70, so revenue will be same and lost profit here will be 0 as there is no excess demand. so this will be 0, and the daily profit we can calculate according to our formula, it will be 11.9. And accordingly when we proceed, so accordingly we can get this table accordingly applying our simulation tables, type of news day and the respective demand. And now here we have to give that summation of this total daily profit. So when we add this, it will be 70, and revenue from sale is given as it will be 305, and this one lost profit is 8.5, and this one from waste we get money is 4.5 cent. Okay, now we have to total add this daily profit for day 1 and day 2 and day 3, we have to accordingly calculate. So that I just want to tell that for day 1 that the respective revenue is 35, and minus cost of news day is this one, and lost profit is 1.70, and slaves मीन्स वेस्ट से जो अपने को पैसा मिला वो 0 था, सो अपने को टोटल 10.20 मिलेगा. So this is our simulation table. And now applying our various formulas for average profit and other such things we can calculate respective our solutions. So this is how I discuss with you that how we can simulate our newspapers problem. Okay, so thank you guys, bye bye.